Hey y'all, I'm Ross with Oak City Customs. We're here at Chatham Contracting. We're gonna check out some new furnishings that we just built for their great new location. So quite a bit of design went into producing this desk. The four-way desk is partitioned with steel, custom perforated designer metal, and all locally sourced hickory. One of my personal favorite aspects is the custom cable management that we fabricated. It runs all along underneath and allows you to conceal all the wires. So heading upstairs, we have this great custom L desk that we're excited to show you. Sitting at it, we have Steven with Chatham Contracting.
So Stephen James with Chatham Civil Contracting. And when we were moving into our new office space here, we had decided that we wanted something different. We did not want the middle of the run office furniture where anybody can go to Staples or where have you and just come home with a desk. So that led us to Oak City Customs. We have been very satisfied with what we have gotten.
The piece we're most excited to show you is this custom double live edge conference table. Produced with all locally sourced hickory, this table features a custom inlay of their logo, which we routed on our CNC and then filled with epoxy. And to keep things consistent, we went with the same designer perforated steel base. Thanks for checking out all these items with us today. We're really excited about them, and we hope you keep us in mind for all your custom furnishing needs.